Hi friends, now we are going to know about latitude and longitude. What is latitude? Latitude is a parallel line that's imaginarily drawn in map. So this line using for navigation and mapping system. So this line is very crucial to know. So what thing is there in that line? There is 0 degree, that's called as equator, and 23 half, that's called in North Pole as the tropic of Cancer, and southern hemisphere, that's called as tropic of Capricorn. Then 66.5 degree, that's called as Arctic Circle. So these lines are using for identification. And there is a longitude is a vertical line. That line divides earth into two halves, that east and west. The 0 degree of the longitude prime meridian is in Greenwich. So this longitude using for time zones. The 0 degree time zone, eastwards increasing time and westwards decreasing the times. So the longitude is mostly crucial part like latitude. So what is use of both latitude and longitude? These two lines are mostly using for we can identify the particular place. Very essential for these lines, we can identify simply with these lines. So this is the basic things about latitude and longitude. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks friends.